Let's consider a real-life game situation where you have a tower defense game and you want to add a range of towers to an array that represents the towers available for placement. In this tutorial we will learn how you can achieve this in Unity using C#. Step 1. Create a new game object. In the Unity editor, create a new empty game object by right-clicking in the hierarchy window and selecting Create Empty. Step 2. Attach a TowerManager script. Create a new C# script called TowerManager and attach it to the game object created in Step 1. Open the script in your preferred code editor. Step 3. Define variables and references. Inside the TowerManager script, declare variables for the tower prefab, the number of towers to add, and the array to store the towers. In this example, we define a TowerManager script with variables for the tower prefab, the number of towers to add, and the array to store the towers. In the start method, we call the addTowers method to add a range of towers to the array. The addTowers method creates a new array called towers with the desired size specified by number of towers. It then iterates through a for loop, instantiating tower prefabs using instantiate, and adds them to the towers array. Step 4. Usage in other scripts. In other scripts where you need to access the tower array, you can reference the TowerManager script and access the towers array. In this example, we have a TowerPlacement script that references the TowerManager script using FindObjectOfType. In the start method, we can access the towers array from the TowerManager script and use it for tower placement or any other required functionality. By following these steps, you can add a range of towers to an array in Unity's C# scripting, simulating the addition of towers to a tower defense game or any similar game situation. You can find all the code from the link in description. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.